Ready to unlock the earning potential and convenient spending power of your brand new TD Bank credit card? Let's get it activated in just a few simple steps. First things first, find that activation sticker on the front of your card. It usually has a phone number and sometimes your credit card number. This sticker is your key to getting started. The easiest way to activate is by visiting the official TD Bank website. You can usually find a direct link to card activation or look for a section related to managing your accounts or your credit cards. Once you're on the activation page, you'll be prompted to enter a few key pieces of information. This typically includes your 16-digit credit card number, the expiration date, and the 3 or 4-digit security code, also known as the CVV, which is usually found on the back of your card. For verification and security, you'll likely need to provide some personal details that match your TD Bank account. This could be your date of birth, the last 4 digits of your social security number, or other identifying information. After entering all the required information, submit the form. If everything is correct, you'll see a confirmation message indicating that your TD Bank credit card has been successfully activated. Congratulations! Your TD Bank credit card is now active and ready for all your purchases and to start enjoying those fantastic card benefits.